Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to resolve the CapCut network glitch, stopping your edits. If this helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fast tech tips. Let's jump right in. Lots of folks are hitting this issue with CapCut, where effects and transitions won't load. Start by opening your PC's search bar and type VPN settings. Click to open it. Next, select Add VPN, give it a random name, then grab a server address. Open your browser, search for VPN Gate, and pick any address from the list. Copy and paste it here. Choose Secure Socket Tunneling Protocol, SSTP for the VPN type, and use VPN for both username and password. Hit save, then go back, select your new VPN, and connect. It'll take a few seconds. Once connected, launch CapCut and tap. Try again. Boom! Now you can add effects and transitions. When you're done editing, disconnect the VPN to save bandwidth. If the error lingers, close CapCut completely and reopen it to reset the connection. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the CapCut network error. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.